Gukorwo ati he miahwirira gucia riboti ya kamiti ya BBI na miena itiganite ni undu ukoretwo king'ang'a-ini, no riciria ria ati miahu ino yerekeire kwambikanira mbitika ya mwanya ya uteti ni riehereirio nganja ni methugunda maria makinyaniirio mucemanio-ini wa ambunge na maseneta maria manyitaga mbaru munini wa president.
Since the task force is collecting further views on the document to develop the implementation framework, we commit to actively participate and also engage Mwananchi so that we ensure that the issues therein remain people-centered.
Makiamukiria rwimbo rwa mutongoria wa batuni yao, atongoria ya moigite ati itanya ria gwika mogaruruku watho-ini maria mangiteithia mukenya wa kawaida ni rinyite migwate-ini ateti aria marerwo ati makoretwo makihuthira ndirisha ino yohotekeku wa gucenjia watho gwithondekera njira iria huthu makegwatira iturwa nayo.
The discussions have mainly been on personalities and positions of the political class. This is stark contrast to the original objectives of the course. Yes. We are desirous of the shifting the discussions back to the people and their issues.
We will ensure the mainstreaming of other stakeholders, including business people, farmers, professionals, youth, religious group, and civil society in this process, and not just politicians or elites.
We have agreed that we will fundraise for the local leaders. All ourselves will make contribution towards the local leaders to be able to organize logistics for the functions.
Matihithite ati itua ria gwithondekera micemanio yao ya BBI no ricungireirio ni kuona ta iria iratongorio ni Raila Odinga iramatiga nja na makiruguria yao iria kambiriria mwena wa Naikuru Jumamothi ukite wa Raila Odinga uri Kitui muthenya o ucio. Batuni ya Ruto iroiga ati ni hinguriire Akenya othe mirango na igutia na wihokeku kiraniro gia ati mendekithia maria igatemania ti ma mwiyendo wa atongoria.
Tunataka kuigeuza iwe BBI ya mwananchi ya kawaida.
For every rally we will organize, we will make sure that every shade of opinion and every leader from different political parties and every place will not only speak, but they will have also a right to speak their mind without being forced to sing a particular recital before you can say your point. So everybody
Riu marenda kamiti ya BBI irute mubango uria bangite gukahuthira gukinyaniria wira uria hetwo na matura maria mothe igathiururuka, makiuga ati ni undu ukamateithiriria guthomithia muingi maundu maria me riboti-ini ino ya BBI na uria mawoni ma andu othe mekuhimbirio mbere, hindi na thutha wa kamiti ino kurikia wira wayo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Jitagwo Waweru wa Nyambura.